you ain't never seen nothing like this. Never thought it'd be so enticing, oh. It'll pull you in with a tight grip. Shines like a diamond, bright when the light hits, oh. Shifting your senses, lifting you up to a different dimension. You see it, you feel it, it grabs your attention. Open your eyelids, you've never seen anything like this. Got your eyes open wide and you're staring. You've never seen anything like this. Oh, the wonder you feel, no comparing. You've never seen anything like this. You've never seen anything like this. Never seen anything like this. You can feel the pull of gravitation. Yeah, you seeing something different, got you captivated. It's appealing how it's got you feeling activated. Got your thoughts going deeper than imagination. Oh, how it's real, the wonder you feel. Can keep it inside, it's hard to conceal. Oh, what a thrill, oh, what a thrill. Open your eyelids, you've never seen anything like this. Got your eyes open wide and you're staring. You've never seen anything like this. Oh, the wonder you feel, no comparing. You've never seen anything like this. You've never seen anything like this. Seen anything like this. Man, this might be something lethal. Like a beast that can't be tamed. This the kind of rage you can't contain. Yeah, this might be something lethal. You can really see the flames. Feeling like it's borderline insane.
Man, this might be something lethal. Something lethal. Yeah, this might be something lethal. Something lethal.
Feel it coming. The pressure start thumping, ain't no running. It might cause a rave, all my people start jumping. You can feel the blood, shit, it get your blood pumping. Okay, you better take a seat. Don't step inside the kitchen if you cannot take the heat. It's looking like a feast, guaranteed to flame the streets. It's the jungle outside, tell me who can tame the beast. Something lethal, like a beast that can't be tamed. This the kind of rage you can't contain. Yeah, this might be something lethal. You can really feel the flames, feeling like it's borderline insane.
Man, this might be something lethal. Something lethal. Yeah, this might be something lethal. Something lethal.
Welcome to the valley, it'll eat you alive. It'll hit you out of nowhere like a thief in the night. Ain't no way you can hide, it came seeking a fight. Push the pedal to the metal, better keep up the stride. Keep up the pace, this is a rage, we gon' light up this place. Please make some space, or move out the way. Come in with pressure and smacks in the face. Something lethal, like a beast that can't be tamed. This the kind of rage you can't contain. Yeah, this might be something lethal. You can really feel the flames, feeling like it's borderline insane.
Man, this might be something lethal. Something lethal. Yeah, 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 this might be something lethal.
This is the fresh out of the oven with the baker's dozen. Watch a rapper turn to nothing at the hands of rubbish. A couple crutching with the bass, still can't catch us. And it's just my luck that my year of coming up, I still been raising a tear up above. Weak-minded politicking with some pretty women and a dozen niggas daddy begging for the plays on Insta. Before you talk all your shit, do your research. Before you get a feature, better change your t-shirt. Grow sister in town, cause you been feeling blue. I've been doing me, so what does it matter to you? Never never gave a fuck. Money I was saving up, trying to make it out the city. I done been brave enough, chasing blunts with money schemes and honey dreams. Enough to turn waves of energy to symmetry and play it through your speakers just to resonate within and accurately display the life of every kid who suffer steady here, but still yet they live in an environment and see life for what it is. Still I persist, never backing down from anything. Fate is in my left and my right holds the mic. The key 2 octaves below where my soul exists, trapped in this lower end. I'm more focused than I've ever been since I first started in. But this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. But this is just the beginning. 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 Hey, this is just the beginning.